Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that may pique your curiosity. Check this guy out. He, seems pretty happy, pretty wide-eyed. And look, Tapatio Birria. So, I didn't realize, I thought birria was a stew made from beef, but it's actually made from goat meat, which sounds fascinating, wonderful, and cool, and I didn't know. I really want to try the real, genuine article, but this, as far as I know, is the first birria ramen. So we will give this a try today here on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. So how the heck are you doing? Saw some crazy business yesterday, which I will tell you about momentarily. Ooh. It says it's spicy. My nose is kind of bugging me. Got my dual action satisfaction of a flu shot and a COVID shot 2 days ago. My arm is sore, but I don't have the whole dead arm thing. So where's that line? We've got a fill line. There it is. Right there. This will go for 4 minutes, so come on. Join me and I will tell you all about the weird stuff that I saw yesterday. Go. Yes. Mucho gusto. Right like that, and that can go in there before we need no extra water. And this will go for 4 minutes on the magical timer. Yeah. So this timer is kind of handy because then you can know how long I'm going to be yammering for, and if you just want to see what happens after I'm done yammering, I guess you can do that. But if you do that, you're going to miss on all the fancy talky talk that I do. But whatever, if you want to miss out on that, that's up to you, scumbag. Anyways, so I go to the thrift store all the time. That's like my thing. It's always right on my path, whether going out on my long walk or coming back. Usually I go after I've gone on my long walk. A nice reward to go look in the thrift store and find absolutely nothing I need. It's very rare. I used to find stuff there all the time, but not recently. Anyways, I was standing at the corner waiting to cross the main drag, and the light went red. I had missed my light enough that I couldn't cross. I don't know what it was. It was like either a Camaro or a Mustang or something. It was all black, had black mags or whatever. And the guy, it was like, oh, he's going to do a U-turn. So he goes and does his U-turn. And then he does like 4 donuts in the middle of the main drag. And I was just like, I've seen way too many videos on the subreddit Idiots in Cars, where they try doing junk like that, and then they just go, oh look, they just ran into something and totaled their Lamborghini. So I was like, but he pulled it off, so I was like, yeah, dude, metal. So that was the crazy business. What was some other crazy business? Oh yeah, yesterday it hailed. I think I mentioned that already. I got drenched. Yeah, because I put the intro and outro from that video. Yeah, so that would have been 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago. I can't remember what that video was. Oh yeah, the Choi chicken flavor, which actually came from the same folks that sent me the Tapatio. Yeah, that one was good. It was like a chicken noodle. Oh, God, my nose is starting to run. Sorry. Yeah, Yeah. Yeah. God, I like this timer. This thing is like so freaking official and big and crazy. I'll use this on a mukbang. The next one I'm doing will be the one that is not. Yeah, the next one I'm going to do is one that'll actually be slated for release not for your yesterday, but for your day before yesterday. Because I've got to do a mukbang and I don't want to. I don't think I've ever done a mukbang and then done reviews after that or sampling because it's spicy, you know. But it's the lovely hot Samyang bulldog, and it's only in South Korea. And my buddy, the fat hipster, sent it to me. Thank you again, man. That's rad. Yeah, that's Noodle Junkies. We gotta stick together. So I'm gonna send him a box of some cool stuff too. But yeah. Oh, and see, it turns red when it gets down to the last bits. Oh, look at it go. Look at buttons, numbers, things like that. It's actually got different, it has musical ringtones or alarm tones. But I've decided against using those because I'm guessing that YouTube is going to go, oh, that's copyrighted. So I'm stuck with this. So anyways, let's put you back up here on the fridge. Yeah, I like that thing. I do. I find it wonderful. Okay, so let's try our Birria. It says it's really hot. It smells pretty good. I didn't see where this is produced. The other stuff that's coming from these folks seems to be produced in Vietnam, but I vaguely remember that these are actually made in the Tapatio ones are made in South Korea. But maybe they're not anymore. This looks nice. I'm getting, excuse me, God. I'm getting kind of a sweetness, a lot of cumin. It smells meaty. Let me give it an extra stir action on this. I want this to be well stirred. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at that. Cheers. It's got a good heat to it. I'm almost getting a hint of like a star anise to it. Interesting. I'm going to say this one I think would do much better microwave. I tend to like the consistency of noodles after they're microwaved rather than steeped like this. Boiled's another story. If they had pillow packs of this one, I think it would come out of all three options: steeping, microwaving, or cooking on the stove. Generally, I think cooking on the stove comes out the best. I like this. Yeah, I do like this. All right. It's got a nice heat level. It's got a nice savoriness to it. And it's got a bowl for it to live in once I'm done doing all the magic. Here we go. I'm I'm listening to, my wife's watching, God, what's that show called? MasterChef. I always think it's funny the way people, like, it's weird. Some people get really weird ideas of like, oh, this will be great. Everybody's going to love it. It's going to be wonderful. The judges are going to like lose their mind. It's like, what were you thinking, you donkey? And all that kind of Gordon Ramsay fun. I don't know. I think he's got a drug problem. Sometimes he just seems like way too amped up. I could totally be wrong. I don't know Gordon Ramsay personally at this point. But then again, it's like, I don't know. He could. He seems like really, 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 really amped up sometimes. But I like what he does. And I'm going to use an egg. Because I ought to. Egg. Oh, they've got Wolfgang Puck on there now. The old Puckaroo. If you ever have a chance, I recommend checking out the Cajun guy. What's his name? Justin Wilson. That guy is a trip. That guy's a total trip. He just goes on and on, and he's like, I think that's pretty cool. I like that. I like the banter. Okay, we got that. Unfortunately, I don't have any Tapatio to slap on here. But I do have some fried onion. And I'm going to add some. God, I have like the tiniest bit left of this crushed red pepper. But it doesn't want to come out. Let go! Come on. There. It's empty. You can build a little ship in this bottle if you want. So there's that. I don't know. I might keep this bottle. I might, or I might not. So, whoa. Anyways, let's have some rotato action while you look at that. Alright, well that's it for me, folks. I'm going to do the one from 2 days ago. We're going to do a little bit of quantum leaping backwards. And that one was this. This came from South Korea. This is the Bulldog Lovely Hot. Yeah. But yeah, it'll be for the, what do you call it? For Valentine's Day. So hope you've enjoyed that. If not, you can go and look at it previously and use your thinky, do the deal, do the stuff. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.